One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
All right. So are you ready for the next topic? We're going to be talking about Lyft introducing preferred driver for riders. So what does that mean for drivers? Whew. Oh boy.
This is for riders.
Huh? Yeah, but it's preferred drivers.
Do you think there is any truth in the statement that Lyft makes to riders?
Okay, so what? For those who aren't watching right now, basically it's a screenshot that shows what it is. It says introducing preferred drivers, the best ride on the road. From now on, we'll prioritize matching you with smoother drivers who accept more often. The two key things were there: smoother drivers, smooth cruise report, and drivers who accept more. So you can update this preference anytime in the profile settings. So
how does accepting more often make you smoother?
It's two different things if you read it. So it says smoother driver who accept more. So it's going to have like a criteria system, and it says, oh, you got to be maybe like 95 or higher or something, or whatever the threshold might be. And then the acceptance rate will be, again, who knows, maybe 50%, maybe 25% like Uber's, 75%. Who knows what it really... I haven't seen anything that would break it down, but yeah, it's two different criteria that they're going to try to do. So this basically tells you, hey, we're going to not give the closest driver the ride. We're going to actually hand select a particular driver for your ride based on those two factors. Because one, we want to keep our insurance costs lower, because that's what's going to help improve the smooth report, is somebody who is out on the road more, who's a better driver or less prone to getting in accidents because they are driving like grandma's in the car or something. And then the other one is you accept more. So yeah, there you go.
I mean, accepting more, I don't think has anything to do with you being smoother or maybe dumber if you accept more, unless they're all cherries. I mean, yeah, you throw me all cherries, I'll accept all of them. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. I think this is like an oxymoron here. You know, smoother driver, better driver, they accept more, they take all the garbage we throw at them, so we're going to match you with them. And, you know, I mean, there was a comment, I think I saw it on X, and it made a lot of sense. So if you're accepting a lot more, you're taking less breaks, you're constantly driving, right? You may even be more tired. So I'm not sure how that makes you, you know, a smoother driver, to be honest with you. But so Lyft is trying this on the riders.
It's two separate things. What they're saying is a smoother driver is somebody who has a higher score on the smooth cruise report. They're using that as criteria one. Criteria two is a driver's acceptance rate. So they're going to look at both of those that are different. Why they're considering that is not having, it has nothing to do with the rider, and it has everything to do with the driver. And that is, again, because the smooth cruise report is something that they can give to the insurance companies, and the insurance companies where they're trying to broker better deals. That's all it's going to come down to, because otherwise they're going to give them an overall report that says you have to pay X amount of price when it comes to your commercial insurance, figure it out. This, in that case, is going to say we're going to prioritize riders to drivers who are driving better, and then on top of it, who are accepting more. So it's basically they're trying to manipulate drivers into driving better and accepting more. But the problem is, the smooth cruise report, yeah, you should probably be driving good anyways. You should probably be driving like grandma's in the car, putting desserts for the family at dinner time or something. So you should be driving like that at the beginning. But when it comes to accepting, it's because they want drivers probably to exploit them. Because think about it. If they know that a driver is going to accept more, they're going to offer that driver a little bit less, and the passenger can pay maybe a preferred price at that point for that setting. who knows what that's going to look like on their end. I mean, it could be something where you pay 5% more. So now you're paying 5% more for a driver who's who's not cherry picking and who's going to accept everything, so they can lower the price on what they're going to pay, and then that means they're going to maximize a profit.
No, I get that, but I think let's see how this experiment goes. Preferred drivers, the best rides on the road. Okay. I haven't gotten this in my rider app yet, but if I do, I'm going to say no.
Because you don't accept enough.
I don't want a preferred driver.
In your passenger app, you mean?
Yeah, in your rider app. Yeah, I don't want a preferred driver. I want a driver who cherry picks.
I want a driver who knows what they're doing.
Exactly. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
But yeah, so that's some of the sneaky ass shit that they're starting to pull when it comes down to it. So yes, acceptance rate does not mean anything, although they're going to try to make it seem like there's something when it comes to acceptance rate. I don't know if you will get this in California, only because Prop 22, which we'll talk about later, when it comes to acceptance rate, that these
I didn't think I would get advantage
acceptance rate anyway. So that's something there.
But I wasn't expecting advantage versus standard in California either. But look what showed up.
Yeah, but it's the curtail.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.